Hello kids! Are you ready to learn school vocabulary today? Let's go! Classroom. Classroom. This is a classroom. Hallway. Hallway. This is a hallway. Library. Library. This is a library. Cafeteria. Cafeteria. This is a cafeteria. Lockers. Lockers. These are the lockers. Desk. Desk. This is a desk. Chair. Chair. This is a chair. Notebook. Notebook. This is a notebook. Pencil. Pencil. This is a pencil. Eraser. Eraser. This is an eraser. Binder. Binder. This is a binder. Ruler or scale. Ruler or scale. This is a ruler, also known as a scale. Principal. Principal. This is a principal or head of the school. Teacher. Teacher. This is a teacher. Counselor. Counselor. This is a counselor. Janitor. Janitor. This is a janitor. Librarian. Librarian. This is a librarian. Chalkboard. Chalkboard. This is a chalkboard. Backpack. Backpack. This is a backpack. Water bottle. Water bottle. This is a water bottle. Lunchbox. Lunchbox. This is a lunchbox. Globe. Globe. This is a globe. Thank you for watching and listening. Follow for more informative videos.